Groomer schedule setup. In this video, I'm going to show you how groomer scheduling works in Groomsoft pet grooming software. You can access groomer scheduling from the appointment calendars and the maps page by clicking on the menu option next to the page title. If you haven't set up groomer scheduling yet, you will see the option to set up groomer scheduling in the menu. When you first set up groomer scheduling, or if you have a new hire, you will need to create the default schedule first. This default schedule repeats weekly forever so that you don't have to recreate the same schedule every week. Click the option to set up groomer scheduling. The default schedule should reflect the shifts that you or your groomers regularly work each week. This calendar works similar to the appointment calendars. It will only show you the days that you are open. Click on the day and time you would like to enter a shift. Select the groomer's name from the select box. Enter the shift end time. Check off the days that this shift repeats on. Click the Create Shift button when done. Notice that the shifts have been created on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday for Lauren. Also notice that after you've created at least one default shift, a new button appears for the current schedule. I will discuss the current schedule a little later. For now, I'm going to enter the schedule for 2 employees behind the scenes to speed this up. Now that all the schedules are complete, let's learn about the current schedule. Current schedule. The current schedule shows your default schedules repeating weekly. The current schedule is where you make changes for days off, changing a shift start or stop time for a certain date, adding an extra shift, or blocking time out of a shift for no appointments. Creating an extra shift. Just like when creating appointments, you click on the calendar to add a new shift. I'm going to create an extra shift for Lauren. Select the groomer's name and set the stop time. There are 5 choices for type of shift. Selecting block time would block time out of the calendar for the groomer so you know not to give them any appointments during that time frame. Selecting holiday, day off, or vacation will give the employee off that day. Selecting shift will create a new shift on the groomer schedule, and that is what I will select. Now we can save this shift by clicking the Save button. Giving someone a day off. To give someone the day off, you can edit their shift and choose holiday, day off, or vacation and click the Save button. Let's say Bob needs off on Tuesday. Click the pencil icon to edit Bob's shift. Change the type of shift to day off and click the Save button. Now you can see Bob has off on Tuesday. Blocking time for no appointments. To block time out of someone's shift for no appointments, click on the calendar and create a new shift with a type of block time. Let's block time out of Bob's shift on Saturday from 12 to 1. Click on Saturday at 12 p.m. Select Bob's name from the Groomer Select box. Set the stop time to 1 p.m. Set the type of shift to block time and click the Save button. Copying a shift. You can use the Copy button to copy a shift to a different time, groomer, date, or type of shift. From here, you would make any changes needed and click the Save button. Groomsoft will create a new shift from the selected values. Turning groomer scheduling on and off. When you finish creating your groomer schedules, turn scheduling on with the toggle button at the top of the page. Scheduling navigation toolbar. Between the 3-month calendar and the scheduling calendar, we have the scheduling toolbar that helps you navigate the schedule. The Print button will open up a printable schedule in a new window for any of the daily, weekly, or monthly schedule views. You can use the Groomer filter to limit the view to an individual groomer. How Groomer scheduling affects appointment scheduling. Now we're going to see how Groomer scheduling affects appointment scheduling. Let's see how the blocked out time that we created Bob's shift on Saturday looks like. When creating an appointment either from the appointment or the Maps page, you will only be able to assign an appointment to a groomer who is scheduled on that date. Here is what you will see when selecting a groomer for an appointment. Notice Bob has two entries, one for his shift and one for the time blocked out of the schedule. Since Lauren is on the schedule this day from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., she will be assigned the groom. Click the Save and Close button to create the appointment. Assigning an appointment to a groomer whose shift has not started yet. Here is an example of an appointment that starts before the start of someone's shift. Upon saving an appointment, checks will be done to ensure all groomers on the appointment are working during the start time of the appointment. You can click Cancel to make changes to the appointment or save it knowing that Lauren will not be in at 8 a.m. to groom Peppermint. A message like this would also be shown if you are scheduling an appointment that starts during blocked out time for a groomer. Also note that when creating a recurring appointment, Groomsoft will check groomer schedules and will not schedule an appointment when a groomer is not working. This is not going to be a recurring appointment, but I do need to change the start time to coincide with the beginning of Lauren's shift. Reporting. Reporting is available if you would like to track groomer time off. This report will give you either a detailed or summary view of days off, block time, holidays, and vacation time that was saved in the current schedule. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.